Welcome, students, to our Grammar II MOOC. In this course, we will embark on a fascinating journey through the intricacies of language structure and usage. As students learning English as a second language, understanding grammar is essential for effective communication. The main objective of this MOOC is that by the course's end, participants will master advanced English grammar concepts through engaging lessons and interactive exercises. This course equips learners with the skills to communicate effectively in written and spoken English, fostering a nuanced understanding of advanced grammar principles. And surely you will wonder, how will we do that? Well, the MOOC is designed based on an instructional design which contains 5 learning units. The units are the following: Unit 1, Sentences and Clauses. Unit 2, Active and Passive Voice. Unit 3, Conditional Sentences. Unit 4, Direct Object and Subjunctive Mood. And finally, Unit 5, Paragraph Structured. Unit 1, Sentences and Clauses. In this unit, we will talk about what sentences and clauses are, the types of sentences, simple, compound, complex, and compound complex sentences. We will also address the direct and indirect object, the difference between phrases and clauses, dependent and independent clauses, and finally relative clauses and pronouns. Unit 2 is called Active and Passive Voice. In this unit we will talk about what the active voice is, what the passive voice is, the uses and rules of the active and passive voice, the tenses of the verbs in the active and passive voice, and finally some characteristics of active and passive voice. In Unit 3, which is called Conditional Sentences, we will discuss what conditional sentences are and the 4 types of conditionals there are, such as the zero conditional, first, second and third conditional, and finally we are going to develop the mixed conditional sentences. Unit 4, called Direct Language and Subjunctive Mood, we will talk about direct and indirect language, and also about the subjunctive mood and the tenses in which we can use the subjunctive mood. And to finish with Unit 5, which is called Paragraph Structured, we will talk about the types of paragraphs and their structuring. Each unit will have video lessons with the content already mentioned above. There will also be learning activities that are interactive, so you don't feel bored, and self-assessment, and a small quiz called Checkpoint so you can evaluate your process. The course is designed to be independent, that is, you do not need an instructor or teacher to explain it to you. We have created the evaluation system through a test in each unit. You must pass all the test with a grade above or equal to 8. In case you don't succeed, the test itself gives you feedback on where you failed. In that case, you can watch the content again, study it, and then take the test again. We hope you can learn a lot in this grammar course. Welcome.